Hi guys, doing at PaintTech. We are clearly on the Wagner stand. We've been here for a few hours. I was here yesterday, doing spraying plaster, and I was itching to get my hands on it. So I spent a good hour with Florian talking about pretty much everything Wagner related. We just finished having a chat, and he said, "What do you want to finish with?" I said, "I want to spray the plaster."
Yeah, this is what we do now.
So what I'm going to do is, but before we start, I mean, I am itching to get my hand on the gun, but what is it? I mean, I've got an idea what it is, but seriously, that is a seriously compact little unit.
It is. Well, this is our new Plasco HP30 unit. It is a high-pressure rotostator pump. So we're combining the both out of two worlds. So we have the little wear and the ease of use of a rotostator, but with all the comfort of an LS unit, like you know. So at the end, you use this unit the same like you would use a big piston pump. But you don't need to care about valves, you don't need to care about packings, you don't need to care about the piston. So everything that could wear out somewhere in the future, because it really lasts almost forever, is just the rotostator unit that is exchangeable within a couple of minutes. So this is a super easy unit, but on a completely new performance level.
Okay, well, there's a few things I know about this machine, all right? If we were spraying with, let's say, the HC750, which is an awesome machine, it's a pneumatic pump, okay? And we could be anywhere up to 3,500 PSI, because we work in PSI.
Yeah.
I know you work in bar.
I know.
All right, fine. I know what the PSI is on this, and it's quite scary.
It's 1,800.
Yeah, I mean, it's like pretty much we cut it in half. Yeah, it atomizes in a completely different way. It's incredibly quiet. It's got a reverse section as well. So what happens is that if you have a problem, which with the rotary sometimes it does, you get a little bit of a blockage. If you let it dry a little bit, or there's just a little bit that's fallen down the side, and it's got a little reverse to kind of be able to clear it, and then you're off again. I've used the Wagner gun quite a lot before, but this is a pretty cool little gun. What tip are we using? Okay, 451. Okay, we generally 535. So that's quite a big tip. But I'm gonna have a blast if that's all right.
Yeah.
I am desperate to have a go. Oh, I'm just gonna bring attention, okay, to my girlfriend here. Okay. He was in Slovenia with us last year doing some training. His training was absolutely superb. All right, put that out there straight away. Cool.
So now you see that is material.
That is pretty cool.
With a 451
That's a 451. I mean, that's throwing on. I mean, the gear's really good. I mean, it's not overly granular, but it is actually really, really good. I mean, there's other tips in here, but the actual setup is really good. A little bit of safety there, okay? Let's not mess around.
Yeah.
Always keep the safety lock on. So it's really nice. With the rotary, it comes in really gentle. It kind of comes in, whereas some of the other plaster machines we've used in the past, as you pull the trigger, you do get that kickback. Yeah. This is it's dreamy.
It starts off. You need to start off the surface, and then the pressure builds up, and then you stop.
I mean, it was a really nice fan. It was very controlled. I mean, I could have put it on a lot lighter. I think with that product as well, knowing the product, I think I could drop the pressure a little bit more, change it, and just get it a lot softer. But that's not the end of it. No. Well, let's talk about the bag roller. The bag roller is pretty cool because you could drop the gear in if you wanted, or you could put the bag roller on and add the bag roller, and just away you go.
And if you can still open the cover, so the cover fits, that you can pass by the bag roller. Even though you have it covered.
It's got a little lid as well, which is really cool.
And any dirt, you can still go cover it up, and then you're free to go here.
I mean, the bag roller is pretty cool.
Stand here, you can go. And it's a nice height, high comfort.
It's awesome. It's really compact. One of the things as well, just whilst we're talking about it, on the video, it's showing the fact that, I don't know, the metal seems like it's like a non-stick. It just the plaster seems to slide down the metal really, really well.
It is.
So I don't know what metal or what coating you've used, but the product doesn't stick the same way. It just seems to slide down. Really, really cool. I would imagine cleaning it's pretty straightforward.
Of course, it is.
I like it. Is there an actual? I'll come back to that. You just get technical. Right. Whilst we're still on this,
I got one question for you.
go on in.
Did you ever spray paint with a rotostator?
See, I was coming to that.
Okay, I gotcha.
No, I've tried. In all fairness, have I sprayed paint through a rotary system? Yes. Were there good results? Not really. Not really. I mean, would I look at that machine and think I'm going to spray paint? No. Okay. Would I use that machine for spraying paint? No. Do you want to try and convince me otherwise?
I just like to give you a try.
So what we've got is the same machine.
Yeah.
Okay, what pressure we got this time?
We just mount a paint house, so we offer a paint kit with a better fitting gun. In this case, it's our Vector Pro gun. And of course, we have our 88 tips on. You just mentioned we get the pressure of 1800 psi. So this is the pressure where we have the ability to go for different materials with our ATA high tips on low pressure. So we had the idea in the development of that product to say, okay, we're now in this frame. What if we spray paint? Let's give it a try. It was just a stupid idea. And I can't tell you how many beers were involved in that idea. But we tried it, and it's awesome.
Do you want to have a go?
Of course.
Cool. Question though, I mean, can we add a whip to this, or would it actually make a difference? I mean, if we were to add a whip to this, would we lose?
You can. No, you don't lose anything.
We don't?
Yeah, you can, even though if you want to have it more flexible, you can put a whip.
Straight away, I'm looking at this and thinking I would want a whip. I mean, this is what size is this? More than a quarter.
It's a DN10.
Yeah, okay, fine. Right, okay. 2-finger trigger. Okay. Yeah. That's actually quite surprising.
How does it feel?
It feels wrong.
But right.
It feels wrong, but yeah, that's really weird. That is really, really. That's impressive. That is impressive. I wanted to kind of see. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yep. Yeah, that's got my brain whirling a little bit. Yeah, we got the plaster. Okay, that's cool, and that would handle quite a thick product. You know, we could even use that for backing coat and finish coat, and also give it a good clean. Same hose. I mean, fine. We switch the hose, but what we do is we run with this one. How long is this one? It's quite a bit.
30 meters.
Wow, 30 meters. Yeah, the pressure. What was the pressure on this one again? Same, 18?
No, it's around, let me calculate, 80 bars, so it's at 1200 psi.
1200.
So we spray
That's really cool. Okay, I think it's something we need to look at, because this is a huge potential. I mean, huge. And it is a shame that within the English market, this is the fastest growing element we've got, which is the plaster. So being able to wheel in on site with that, I think that's pretty awesome. Question is, okay, we've got 30 meter hose for the paint. What size hose can we run on this for the plaster, roughly?
Right now, due to the fact that it's still a rotostator, and we have no connecting wire, we have no connection between the pump and the gun. It's just a regular ALS hose and a regular ALS gun.
Yep.
So if you open the gun, the pump recognizes, okay, there's a pressure drop, and then the pump starts.
Yeah, I can feel that.
And we don't want to increase that time before the pressure builds up. So the longer the hose gets, the longer the time will be. And therefore,
but the outcome
we
will still be the same.
recommend it up to 20 meter hose and 2.5 meter whip. This is the length that we recommend. That's not potentially it will work with longer hoses, but the time you need before the pressure builds up will increase. Therefore, you lose a lot of comfort.
Okay, that's fine. I've got to be honest with you, that was a lot longer than I expected it to be. So I ain't got a problem with that. I think overall, recap, quite simply, I fell in love with it yesterday. I hadn't played with it. I've fallen in love with it even more. The added bonus is the bag roller, which is really awesome, and the fact that we can do paint as well. I've got to be honest with you, I've had a blast here on the Wagner stand today. I've learned a lot, and I know a lot, but I've learned even more. This is just tip of the iceberg, so it's been really, really cool. Florian,
It's a pleasure.
appreciate your time. Mate, your insight is absolutely awesome. Cool. Thank you very much.